Ngikubingelele mbukelo wami omuhle lapho ekhaya. Igama lami ngingusiboniso Ntuli.
I'm excited to get married to Mr. Siboniso Phungula. He knows how to treat a woman.
Living life every day, late at night. Not really sure I want saving. I like to be, get buying everything. See you in the next life. I could be a better me.
A day that marks a very important event in the life of the Phungulas. What started many years ago, today has culminated into the special day. Today is a day that Ste marries Nomkhuleko.
With me, I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. All I need are some better days. Yeah, I believe in the better days. Work hard or live in my...
And go! Okay, right. Thank you. We wish for your prosperity. Oh no! Oh, Sananda! Oh, shit! Thank you. We've reached the end.